Hey guys, welcome back to channel How to add black screen in Premiere Pro. So first of all, the first thing is that you will just have to cut from the first your video. You will just have to drag it, and as you can see, there's a gap of black screen. And the second thing is that you will just have to also just take the drag to the video and just tap on this erase option. Just selected this part and this part. So now we will just move in this add option, and you will just have to right click and simply just have to clear. And as you can see, there's a second way of add black screen in that. So in this way, you will just have to add black screen in Premiere Pro very quick and easy in 2025. Thank you so much for watching, guys.